Nature stinks. Stinky nature. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being stinky helps some plants and animals stay alive. Stinky furry animals. This animal sprays a stinky liquid when enemies get close. These animals place that if enemies get close. It also makes green slime. This animal shoot a stinky liquid. These animals make stinky liquid to keep other animals away. It also pees on food it doesn't eat right away. The smell makes keep other animals away. This animal fights over meat. It uses stinky pee to keep others away. Stinky birds. These birds eat leaves, tiny living things in its body. Break down the leaves. This way of eating makes it smell bad. This bird eats dead animals. It throws up when enemies get close. It throws it up. It smells very bad. Stinky bugs. This bug sprays a hot stinky liquid when enemies get close. The liquid is so hot that it can kill some enemies. This bug is too slow to run away. It makes stinky liquid when enemies get close. Other stinky animals. This turtle is called Stinky Pond. It smells bad when enemies get close. This frog smells like rotten onions when enemies get close. Good and stinky. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being stinky helps some plants and animals stay alive.